Greetings and good morning. Happy Monday to you. Here we are with our usual weekly checking in to see what can we focus on letting go of in this week. It's actually the middle of June. I hope you had a lovely weekend and looking forward to a good week ahead. A couple of things to keep in mind, before we get into the focusing on what we're going to let go of. And these are all things of letting go of things, patterns, ideas, addictions, limitations that are keeping us playing small or feeling stuck or not shining our light as fully as we could be. So if you're here live, say hi, or if you're watching in the replay, let me know. As always, anything that I say that triggers a question or needs some more information, please reach out in the comments or message me. But the two things that I wanted to share with you that are going to be impacting us as we kind of keep going through this month is yesterday we saw the waning crescent of the phase of the moon. And that's a time for us to flow, to let go of. So this is a really good time to be looking at what are we letting go of. But here's the other part about this week. It's really important, is on the 17th, on Wednesday, Mercury goes retrograde. So if you've been watching my letting go guidance sessions here, you know that I actually love the retrogrades. Retrogrades are not times, especially with Mercury retrograde. Mercury is all about communication. So it's about communication about your thoughts, your speech, how you present yourself, how you talk about yourself, to other people, and how those communications come back to you. So if you think about a retrograde is the appearance of going backwards. All that's happening here is that Mercury is going at a slower pace than the Earth is, and then it changes. So that's why it gets a bit of a bad rap and people curse it, because that's when emails get lost or phone calls don't get made. But here's the piece about it, is that this is a really big piece about surrendering. So watch the communications that come up or the situations that come up for you to deal with again, because it's a gift of having things happen at a slower pace. So all that said, this is really, really powerful week for us to be looking at what are we going to let go of in order to really fully align with our core. Hi, Meisha. Nice to see you. So I'm just saying that this is a very important week for us to really get clear on what are the pieces that are no longer serving us. And sometimes when things come up to our awareness that aren't serving us anymore, we can just simply have some gratitude and let them go, because sometimes these limitations or these mindset blocks or these ideas, they served us at one point, but they just maybe don't suit or may not be in alignment with who you're becoming. So this is a really, really important part. So that's what I'm feeling about for this week of middle of June. So take a nice deep breath with me and breathe it out through your mouth. Do 2 more of those. Deep breath in and out. And 1 more in and out. Good. You landed in this moment with me. I can feel that. I hope you can too. So as we were doing that, I was shuffling the letting go cards, and we're going to see what can we focus on letting go of this week as we step closer to that Mercury retrograde energy. And so what we're going to do is we're going to let go of relationship. So see how that sits with you. Immediately as I sort of feel into that energy myself, this could be a relationship with an older version of you that doesn't work anymore. So that's why I'm saying about the watch for things coming up. It could just be an internal issue with you, or it could be somebody from your past coming up or some situation coming up that makes you feel less than who you truly are. So watch for that. This is an important part. But I'm going to read to you out of my book. So just see how does that resonate? How does that sit for you when I say you're going to let go of a relationship? It could be a relationship to a habit, to a mindset, to a person, to a project, to an idea. You go in and have a look at what is that? And the first thing that pops into your awareness is going to be your truth, your piece that you can look at letting go of. And of course, when I talk about letting go is very much of a part of, sometimes you can physically let go and take yourself out of a situation. Other times you can actually let go of the attachment to it. And so therefore you allow yourself to slide into a space of neutral. So for instance, to explain what I mean by that is that, let's say you are witnessing anger or emotions that are kind of lower on the emotional scale, but you're just witnessing them. When we let go of the anger or the attachment to things like that, then we can still witness them, but we're at a neutral space. So that's the big piece about the letting go aspect here too. So let me read this out to you and see if this helps you go a wee bit deeper with this. Are you in a relationship where you're not experiencing the happiness you think you deserve? This card has shown up for you today because a person or people are not revealing the complete story. There is more to the current situation than what meets the eye. Do not rely upon what you are shown or told. It is time for you to really pay attention to your intuition. See this? Beautiful aligning with this Mercury retrograde energy that I'm mentioning, as well as that waning crescent. So there's no accident with these. What is your gut feeling about this situation? All will be revealed through the light of love, and things will turn in your favor. If you feel like ending a relationship because it's draining the happiness out of your life, remember to trust your intuition, and if necessary, let go of a relationship to help you walk away happier, lighter, and lead a better life for you and all concerned. So breathe into that. See how that works through this whole week for you. And let me know. Let me know if you need some more reflection or insights on how to best navigate all of that. So now I'm going to pick a tarot card to go with this idea of letting go of relationship. And then we'll draw 3 of Doreen Virtue's angel cards, because they always give us a little bit more loving guidance and support on this too. So this is beautiful. One of my favorite ones. This is the Nine of Pentacles. So the Nine of Pentacles, as you can see, the symbology of that is solo person. So person who is feeling very blessed, very, very fulfilled, very happy. Remember that said that is that if you are in a situation, and like I said to you, it's not necessarily a relationship with a person. It could be a place, a project, anything that we form relationships with, right? So it could be a person, a thing. And so this is a really big reminder to focus on what you love, what you have, what you've created, what you can create, what your intentions are. And then we can start to move more into that whole piece of letting go. So now let's see what 3 angel cards will come and help us with this. This is a big energy shift for us. And watch this. Oh my gosh, this is pretty amazing. The first one is manifestation. So we are all such powerful manifestors. And so if what's showing up for you is not lighting you up, not feeling good, remind yourself that you're creating everything that you're experiencing. And so then lean into the support of the universe, of your guides, of your higher self, of the energy. The universe is actually conspiring for your highest and best good. Sometimes we need to let go of the propensity to be in our head too much and to overthink. We are energetic beings. We can tap into that amazing divine flow, because guess what the outcome is? This spiritual growth. So I told you this is a powerful, powerful week, this middle of June, and we're coming up to the solstice as well. So this is all about preparing the ground, that whole piece of surrender and let go of the things that are not supporting and not serving the highest and best good for you. And remind yourself, you are a powerful manifester. You got the universe and the support beyond measure. And so above all, this is about raising your vibration. So that's your homework. I wish you a wonderful week. I hope this makes sense. Like I said, please do reach out if you need any more insights, or just if anything that I shared here wasn't clear. But like I say, I really hope that you take this in and make it your own. I wish you a wonderful week, and I'll check in with you next week. Thanks for watching. Much love.